Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we're basically be stepping into the future of content creation. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your text into captivating animation videos, using cutting edge AI tools which are GravityWrite and Steve.AI. And the best part is it's absolutely free. So yeah, without further ado, let's just dive in and explore the magic of creating dynamic animation from just plain text. So imagine a scenario, you are basically a content creator and you already have a busy schedule, but you want to create a bulk content on your YouTube channel in order for it to grow. So now with the help of this amazing AI tools, you can do that very easily without any problems. So yeah, now let's jump into the tutorial and see how you can basically transform your text to animated video using AI tools for free. Alright, so first of all, for creating a YouTube video, you need to basically create a script, so that you can basically turn that script into an amazing animated videos. So for creating a script, there's an amazing AI tool known as GravityWrite. So let's just type here GravityWrite.com. Alright, and then you need to jump into this first website right over here. And after this will take you this home page. You need to click on this start for free option right here. And then it will ask you to create your GravityWrite account. You can easily, sign up with Google for your GravityWrite account very easily. And then it will ask you for your account. You need to click on that. Alright, so now our account for GravityWrite.com has been created. So now you can see it will give you basically access to many tools, which are advertising tools, blog tools, copywriting tools. So you can basically, create anything from this GravityWrite.com. So it's basically very effective AI website for, creating scripts, blogs, email tools, filmmaking, literally anything. But in this specific video, we are here to make the script for our YouTube content, which will basically be making afterwards. So for that, you need to go to this YouTube tools column right over here, and it will basically give you a lot of more lists, and you need to go to your YouTube script creator right over here. And yes, so now it will ask you to enter your video title and the points you want to cover. So let's just say the title of our video is, top 5 IT companies in 2023. Let's just say you want to make a script out of that. And by using that script, we can easily generate an animated AI video, right? So first of all, let's create a script. Alright, so I'm taking it very simple for this video. So I just said this to create a script for top 5 IT companies in 2023. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit create content over here. And yes, soon you will realize it will start creating a script for, the video title that you provided to this GravityWrite.com. Alright, so now as you guys can see, our script has been created. It is basically beautifully categorized into different sections. We have video description, then we have intro, we have voiceover, we have company 1, company 2, company 3, and literally everything we need for our script. So now we're going to jump into our second step, which is basically creating an animated video out of this amazing script, okay? And for that, we're going to use another tool, which is Steve.AI. So you need to open a new tab. You need to search Steve.AI. All right, and then you will jump into this amazing homepage. And for that, obviously, you need to sign up again for this Steve.AI.com. All right, and after that, it will ask you a couple of questions, according to your needs. So what kind of videos you create? What are you working on? Are you a business owner? And, all those type of questions. So you need to fill those according to your need. Alright, so now everything looks great. So now we'll give you quite a bit of options. You can either, convert your text to video. You can either convert your text to animation. And you can basically see a lot of options. But few of them are, in progress. But our main goal for this video is we need to basically convert our text to animation, right? So we're going to click on start on this text to animation button right over here. All right, so now it's asking you to enter the scene one, enter the whole script that you want that to be converted into an animated video. So now we're going to use the same GravityWrite script that it just provided. So we're going to jump into that. And, first of all, we'll pick up our intro, right? Because we are going scene by scene. So first of all, we'll pick up our intro. We're going to come to Steve.AI. We're going to paste it right over here. So automatically, by itself, it will create scenes for you, which is quite very effective. And then we'll just simply come to our main body. So we're going to copy all this. We're going to come to Steve.AI once again. We're going to paste it right over here. All right. And now for the last, we need to copy our outro and paste it right over there as well. Okay. Alright, so now as you guys can see, our scripting has been completed. So now I'll give you quite a bit of options as well. So it will ask you, what is your video about? So you can write over here like, our video is, let's just say explainer video, okay? and it's saying what type of video you want. So obviously you want an animated video. That's what we are here for. And then it will ask for the source, and either you can add music and you can cancel that. It's totally up to you. But for now, I'm just gonna click on music, and as well as showing you the estimated video duration is gonna be 3 minutes and 43 seconds. All right. So now everything looks great. So now you're gonna just go ahead and hit next, and now it's gonna ask you to choose your design style. So you have basically quite a bit of options right over here. So you can use design, either of your choice. So let's just say I want to go for this design. Okay, I'm liking this design very much. So I'm just going to click on this one. Okay, so now it's basically making the video for you guys. It's basically converting all those text into animated videos. So we're going to wait for a bit for that. Alright, yes, so as you guys can see, so now our video has been created. And if I can go ahead and play this, so yeah, as you guys saw, like how beautiful this all looks, with all those tags, with all those animations that's coming all the way. So yeah, with the help of just, 2 AI tools, you can, make script out of your just one prompt. And by using that script, you can create an AI animated video with just few steps. So this is basically the power of AI. So now you don't have to, put all your effort in making videos, editing them. You can just simply use this amazing AI tools to create those amazing animated video for you guys in just few simple steps. So yeah, I hope you like this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.